How to change password of Splitwise account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change password of Splitwise account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch the Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to bottom right corner, tap on account icon. Here at the top, next to your profile name, tap on the pencil-like icon. That's gonna take you to the account settings. Now to change your password, tap on the edit option under password. That will ask you to enter your current password. So type in your current password and under that, create a new password. Once you're done with that, tap on save changes, and with that, now your password is changed on Splitwise account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.